Bank of America reported just 2 days ago that Walmart, Target, and Costco are thriving while other retailers are fading into oblivion. Malls are closing all over the country. Traditional retailers are going out of business. In the last 2 years, Charlotte Russe, Full Beauty Brands, Payless, Things Remember, Gymboree, IMS, Innovative Mattress Solutions, Shopco, David's Bridal, Sears, Mattress Firm, Brookstone, Samuel's Jewelers, Rockport, Nine West, Gumps, Southeastern Grocers, Remington, Claire's, The Walking Company, Charlotte Olympia, Bonton, Kiko, Agachi, Toys R Us, Aerosols, Vitamin World, True Religion, Perfumania, Papaya, Rue 21, Gordman's, Gander Mountain, Radio Shack, H.H. Gregg, Vanity, BCBG, Eastern Outfitters, Wet Seal, all of these and more went bankrupt. Welcome to the retail apocalypse. The United States of America has, quote, more stores per capita than any place on earth, said WebSmith, which is a retail subscription platform. And he goes on to say the store-anchored suburban mall gave birth in the 1950s, and he continues, and we told ourselves that the bubble would never pop. Well, the bubble has not just popped, it has exploded. Here's my question: why or how are these mammoths, Costco, Target, Walmart, and even Dollar Tree and Dollar General, steamrolling over every other brick and mortar retailer out there? And doing this while Amazon thrives and the trade war rages? Well, Lauren Thomas from CNBC claims to have the answer. She says, the spending power of sticker-conscious shoppers is on the rise. She continues, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, and a new research report said purchases made by low-income consumers, U.S. households making less than $50,000 per year, grew 6% this past April from a year ago. This outpaces both middle and upper-income consumers' spending growth across the country. Now, that's all fine and dandy, but please tell me, Lauren, where the middle and the high class are spending their money. Because last time I checked, the middle and upper class are still buying stuff. Cars, food, clothing, boyfriend pillows. Well, they buy it online. Even though 5,854 brick and mortar retail stores closed last year, more than 8,000 stores, brick and mortar, have already closed in 2019, and we aren't even halfway through the year yet. And even though analysts at UBS estimate that by 2026, 75,000 brick and mortar retail stores will have closed their doors, my question is, did our population suddenly take a dive? Did people suddenly stop buying stuff? Well, last time I checked, Americans' buying habits have gone up, not down. And the difference is where they are going. Now, you know this. You know people are moving to online. The real question is, what can you do about it? Sure, the low-income class is buying more from Walmart, Costco, Target, dollar stores. We get that. We know more people are buying online. But is that who you want to be your customer? When I began as an entrepreneur, I don't know what that is.
An opportrepreneur. It's someone who capitalizes on opportunity.
Nice. When I began as an entrepreneur, longtime entrepreneur and business coach Ted Beasley, who lives here in Austin, a man I respect greatly, was one of my first mentors. And I'll never forget what he told me. He said, Seth, when you bring a product to market, understand that there are one of two camps that your product must fall into. Either the lower cost or the higher value, and all the other products get lost in between and hardly anyone buys them. Example, Walmart, low cost. Apple, high value. Amazon Basics batteries, low cost. Yeti, high value. Solution? You get your product online and you build a high value brand. I agree, your chances of competing with Walmart, Costco, Target, even Dollar Tree, Dollar Store are extremely slim, as well as competing against Amazon's own online prices. But when you build a premium brand that people love and that solves a problem like no one else, you can make a massive amount of money. This is why the third-party sellers like you and me are kicking Amazon's first-party butt, to quote Jeff Bezos, because we're building actual brands that people love. It was July 1st, 2011, and Stephen Yang left his cushy job at Google, and people started asking him, why did you do this? And here was his answer. In 2009, Stephen's wife started selling on Amazon. She was doing drop shipping, and she was doing up to 300 orders a day, so he built this system for her, and in a few months, her sales began to scale. And then Stephen saw an opportunity. He fired his boss, he flew back to China, and he started his company. Today, He gets 20 to 30,000 orders a day. Not even Amazon can compete with him, and he's selling on their platform. And he said, there are two things I did that made me successful. Number one, I listened to my customers' needs. And number two, I built high quality, innovative products that meet those needs. He listened and he built. Today, Stephen's company, Anchor, does just under $600 million a year. Build a brand that people love and trust by solving their wants and needs, and there's no reason that Costco, Target, Walmart, or even Amazon has to crush you. You can make money. You can make this happen. This is Seth Keeping It Real. You have an awesome day. That's my 10 cents. Everybody dance!